How to control email sync on Samsung Galaxy S24 for peak and off-peak schedules. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up the email app. Next, tap on the menu key. Then tap on the settings icon. Now in here, tap on your email account. Then we go down and tap on email sync schedule. In here, tap on peak schedule if you would like to set up a sync schedule for your emails. And in here, you can choose sync emails during peak period. So during peak period, you can choose auto, manually, or sync every 50 minutes, 30 minutes, every 1 hour, and so on. So you can set a sync time duration during peak period. And here you can go down and choose the peak days. So let's say if your work is from Monday to Friday, then you can choose Monday to Friday, leaving out on Saturday and Sunday. And you can choose a peak time, so between 7 a.m. and say 5 p.m. So 5 p.m. set, so 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. that's during your work hour. You can set your email sync schedule. And then tap on the back key, and that's it. So now we have turned on your email peak schedule. If you don't want to use the peak schedule, you can tap on the toggle button to switch it off. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key to go back to your inbox. Tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.